Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. My name is Muhammad Arin Rare, Marketing Management Diploma, student at Telkom University. Today, I'm going to present you my final project about the effect of product quality and purchasing of product decision for Yamaha NMAX motorcycle at JG Dealer Motor Bogor. Company profile: JG Motor is an official Yamaha dealer with a legal entity, PT Jaya Mandiri Gema Sajati, engaged in retail sales of automotive vehicle, especially motorcycle with the Yamaha brand. JG Motor is jagonya Yamaha. Yamaha jagonya motor. Created in 2006, it's a direct reflection of the company vision to bring JG Motor Group to be a leader in the automotive retail business, especially Yamaha brand motorcycle. The vision and mission set by JG Motor Bogor are: vision, to be a leading company in the automotive retail network. Mission, to have a strong, profitable retail network and reliable operation. JG Motor Bogor is located at Jalan Siliwangi, number 42, Pukasari, Bogor District, Bogor City, West Java, 16142. Background research: modern life is often synonymous with a lifestyle that always follows the trend of development of the times. In conditions like this, the decision to choose a brand to play a role in modern lifestyle, so that the desire to buy branded product and also one consumption pattern. Yamaha is one of the large automotive companies in Indonesia, which has realized how about competition in this automotive industry. Yamaha always strives to sell quality product and have more value than competing product. Yamaha also always provides the latest in innovation in each of its products in order to differentiate its product from competing product and get more value in the eyes of consumer. For example, the Yamaha NMAX. Only the Yamaha NMAX 155 motorbike, there are several shortcomings in the specification and the features in it which are different and less sophisticated than its competitor, causing a lack of buy interest in causing a decline in sales of NMAX 155 variant in 2020. Here are the shortcomings that exist on the Yamaha NMAX motorcycle. The design is less luxurious, even though the design is considered elegant and luxurious, but the latest generation NMAX emphasizes the sport side, unlike the Honda PCX, which look more premium. Formulation of the problem. 1. How is the product quality of Yamaha NMAX Bogor? 2. How is the decision to purchase Yamaha NMAX motor vehicle in Bogor? 3. How is the influence of product quality on purchasing decision for Yamaha NMAX Bogor? Theoretical basis: product quality, Kotler and Keller, 2016. That quality is the suitable of being used to fulfill demand. According to American Society for Quality Control, quality is the totality of service features that depend on their ability to satisfy stated on implied need. This is definitely a consumer-centric definition. According to Kotler-Keller, 2016, a product is anything that is offered to the market for attention, acquisition, and use to that is can meet the want and need. Buying decision. Purchasing decision are action from consumer to buy product, either in the form of service or in the form of good. According to Kotler and Armstrong, 2014.158, consumer buyer behavior refers to the buying behavior of final consumer individual and household that buy goods and service for personal consumption. Research method. Type of research: quantitative sampling technique, non-probability sampling with purposive sampling, data analysis technique, descriptive, verificative, and simple linear regression. Population. The population that used in the study are users of Yamaha NMAX motorcycle in the city of Bogor. Sample. The number of sample studies was 96.04 respondents. The research had to 100 respondents using Yamaha NMAX motorcycle in the city of Bogor. Respondent characteristic. Number 1, based on age. Dominate by 29 to 34 years. Based on job, dominate by student and employees. 3, based on monthly income, dominate by 3 million. 4, based on interest, dominate by Knaun brand. This is a validity and reliability test. Validity test in the table show it can be concluded with a total of 100 respondents with all of them having a value greater than 0.196. Thus it can be concluded that the 29 valid question item can be used as a research instrument. Reliability test. In the research result of the reliability test, the research got the result of 0.800.75, show that the reliability is good. So the research can be said to be a valid. Overall description analysis. Description analysis based on the result of the calculation of respondent respond to the quality product variable as a whole. It get a value of 77.33%, and on the continuum line it can be seen the total score is included in the a good category based on the result of calculating of respondent response to the purchasing decision variable as a whole. It gets a value of 73%, and on the continuum line it can be seen that the score is included is a good category. Classic assumption test and simple linear regression. Classic assumption test and simple linear regression. Simple linear regression based on the table above, a significant value of 0.000 less than 0.05 is obtained, so it shows the product quality variable has an effect on the purchase decision variable. Uji T. Based on the result of calculation of product quality variable with a T count of 8.832 greater than T table, it can be concluded that H0 is rejected and H1 is accepted, which means the product quality has a significant effect on purchase decision. Uji F. This shows that H0 is rejected and H1 is accepted, which means that product quality has a significant effect on purchasing decision. Correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient of 0.665 indicates that there is a strong relationship between the X variable, namely product quality, and the Y variable, namely purchase decision. Concluding and suggestion. Concluding 1. Respondent respond to product quality are based on the continuum line with a percentage of 77.33%, while the highest percentage is found in the question. Yamaha NMAX provide a good reputation of 96.75%. Therefore, the reputation of the Yamaha NMAX product quality image has been very good for consumer. 2. Respondent respond to purchase decision are based on a continuum line with a percentage of 73%. while the highest percentage is on the question I need a vehicle to work or mobilize, with a percentage of 87.25%. Therefore, the reputation of awareness of the need for Yamaha NMAX motor vehicle has been very good for consumers. 3. Based on the result of the calculation of the product quality variable with a T count of 8.832 higher than this table, it can be concluded that H0 is rejected and H1 is accepted. Advice for future companies and researchers. For companies, the researcher know that for 29 statements, it is known that the result given show good or even very good thing. So, suggestion for companies can be future depend on the quality of the product offered to take more interest in consumer need. For future researcher, 1. For future researcher, if they are going to conduct future research, they will replace brand factor in other marketing besides product quality, such as Yamaha NMAX marketing mix, consumer behavior, promotional media, and advertising. 2. For future researcher with the same topic, it will be better to use a different methodology and research object. Thanks for your attention. That's the end of my presentation. I apologize for any mistake. I hope you enjoy it and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.